Lock adjustment procedures for the Holland FWAL series fifth wheel. Warning: failure to maintain proper fifth wheel adjustment could result in loss of vehicle control, which, if not avoided, could result in death or serious injury. Note: to obtain a proper fifth wheel adjustment, SAF-HOLLAND recommends the use of Holland fifth wheel lock tester TF-TLN 5001, available from an SAF-HOLLAND distributor. We will now begin the lock adjustment procedure. If the fifth wheel is locked, slide the release handle forward and completely pull out. Set the lock tester on the fifth wheel top plate. To lock the fifth wheel, rotate the handle on the lock tester clockwise until the locks close around the kingpin. Slide the adjustment tool forward and backward while the lock is closed to check for play between locks and kingpin. Ensure that the tool remains flat with full contact on the fifth wheel top plate. Using a pin gauge, measure the free play between the locks and the kingpin. If free play exceeds 0.08 of an inch, proceed to adjust the locks. To begin adjusting the locks, unscrew and remove the socket head cap screw. Now rotate the adjusting pin counterclockwise until the next notch aligns with the socket head cap screw hole. Note: adjust only one notch at a time. Retighten the socket head cap screw. Push down and rotate the J-hook on the lock tester so that it hooks under the front skirt of the fifth wheel top plate. Verify proper adjustment by locking and unlocking the fifth wheel several times with the lock tester. Check that the fifth wheel is properly locked. The lock should be completely engaged around the kingpin and the hook engaged behind the lock. Rotate the lock adjustment tool from side to side to ensure that the locks are not over-tightened. The locks should not grip the kingpin and the tool should rotate freely. Recheck for free play in the locks by sliding the adjustment tool forward and backward. Free play should be 0.04 of an inch minimum. If free play still exceeds 0.08 of an inch, repeat this procedure and adjust to one more notch. If the adjustment is still unsatisfactory, the fifth wheel top plate may not be usable. When complete, slide the fifth wheel release handle forward and pull completely out. Pull the lock tester handle counterclockwise to release the kingpin, release the J-hook, and remove the lock tester. The Holland FWAL series lock adjustment procedure is now complete.